Alright guys, 8 p.m.
Down.
Go!
Comparison easily done once you had a taste of one's perfection. I can never hang from a tree of bitter ripest one. I still have the seed. You said move on, where do I go? I guess the second best is all I will know. 'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you. Thinking of you. Thinking of you. What you would do if you were the one who was spending the night.
Yes, patulog ka!
I wish that I was looking into your eyes. You're like an Indian summer in the middle of the winter, like a hot candy with a surprise center. How do I get better once I've had the best? You said as tons of fish in the water, so the waters I will test. He kissed my lips, I taste your mouth. Oh, you pulled me in, I was disgusted with myself. 'Cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you. Thinking of you. What you would do if you were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your the best. And yes, I do regret how I could let
Ayaw mo pa yan, ha?
myself let you go now. Now the lessons learned, I touch it, I was burning.
May patulog kayo, may matutulog.
Thank you.